married, na bakwere woman, na timanambusa, you need them. If you want married na Douala woman, you know no, na Myondo. You want married Basa woman, na Mbongo Chobi. You want married Yaounde woman, na Bobolo. If you want to today, una get kapankabas, even at that side, for bam no, una want married. If una want married nangi, na unango fere, now they chop them that achu for Bamenda, Kondre for that side, for Save, and for Banjun, for that side for Chang, now they kind of made in that countryman, countrywoman. So anywhere you go to marry the woman, it is the same enjoyment and the same trouble. A woman is a woman, a woman is a woman, no matter the choice, no matter the color, no matter the tribe, she can do and she can undo. If you want to marry my country woman, aha, una laka the thing is sweet my heart like a ling, and that's so the thing day. It waka for the way it waka because say una did it, me to ade for ya, and it's sweeting, we dey laugh, we dey enjoy ourselves. Tori day, they told them today, they know plenty like the one the way they were there for yesterday. What if the Tori? Reme de non vekes. They talk say that papa we be chuk that pikin Matis Kilanda singer papa we they call say Lidor Dangobe Wafo. They gave for Tegi do wonderful thing, send it from Gata one time. They don't know why they return with ye for that side for police cell commissariat number 5 for that side for Yaoundé. And then another one on Siam, now for television, for a phone. Where they call them say, slap of the century. Nikarawaso, man, he laughs small. Now what's happen? French president, a woman, it domo you well. And then we go talk to Palava list for Mark and Ibris. Una no say Mark and Ibris don't put some listener outside when Africa Food don't publish for Indomitable Lions. They go play for Morocco Marrakesh tournament for the month of June. So next month, the 6th and the 9th of June. And then some players in the way they go come, we will tell now why. So one in the way they go come, we will tell now why. So now say they countryman, countrywoman must start for Blue News. I say the first story we there for ya. Now that story for that small jacka, we be there for us. You know, ask no man, no nothing. You know, no say something go happen for you. He there for us, the choppy bread, he penga with the chocolate. Now so some papa where they call it say Dangobe Wafo. Papa for that singer, where they call it say Lidol. He enter house, he see that pikin, where they don't get query in that pikin, papa. Na so, he chuka for neck, small hole for neck for ya so. And also, I know they see me bed. And why would they see me, they go see me. He chuka for ya so, chwap. Let me say, boss for neck, between neck and shoulder, he chuka boss for inside. That's so he kill the pikin. Very horrible death. And then one go kill the other one, then they go run, they hide for inside house. Now the question I say, since that time, proof day, night way to the pikin a day. Neighbor the day, you yourself cry, it was a one key all them. They knock ye, they carry go hospital. So take courage to the why they return to with ye for commissariat come back. Now some man they protect ye, it be some man who's a man. You get some baby man where they do something for you where the holy say me not carry go before. Now the question that activists them, comedians, artists, journalists, footballer, people for all walks of life. They don't enter that in all walks of life. People for all walks of life. They don't put pressure. Pressure on the mount. It climb. It go up now. The pressure now wait now say why Dagobe Wafo is still there for commissariat? Why they never send it for Kondengi? People then they carry them say that for Kondengi for Sika say they don't spoil my name. They call it say defamation. One feed the chook picking kill him. So take courage now. they never send it for Koninge. Wait till be the reason. Now who they protect it. So remember they don't vex. They go for that side. They make match for Commissariat 5e for Yaoundé. So the pressure the mount, the pressure they go up, it go up. Sometime before you want to know the thing will be resolved, and at the thing that way, all man they want up. Countryman, countrywoman, Tori day, una know no? Yes. You will knock for una na so, it command for your side. The side with the Tori the command it in another side for Yokaduma. For Yokaduma. Now so very terrible thing happen for Yokaduma. Thing will happen for that neighborhood they call us say Mwadang. Mwadang, now so neighborhood for Yokaduma way not far from Municipal Stadium. Duma way they call it name say Tatiana Ngekam. They don't see where he die. Now last Sunday where they see their body for Tatiana Ngekam. Their body will already be for state where it don't be rotting. Their body will be done the rotting. Now they don't carry now, they don't go for that side for mortuary. The mommy, it be get 2 pikin. 2 pikin. And then, now what to key Tatanya, now the question who will ask them. We don't like say, Papa for a pikin. They don't do it, they don't go for that side, for a police them, for the see what happen. What I who make up for the thing die. Or I say the key for us, or I say and high blood pressure, now the children would ask them. And then the papa for Tatiana too, he talk say, this thing so, now the 3 way in the past for the family. Say, now the 4th die this way, because they die, so we don't know how it happened. So now what it happened before 30, it died. If it stay now, you want for that house all that time, he get high blood pressure, because we know some musician, I mean somehow we support musician there, where we get, if he's sick, he get one for us, I think a high blood pressure, better mix, so the man finish, so they equara. Now after 2 to 3 days, when they discover say, they know the see, they want call you for notice, say better mix, it be done, quara. Now so, it happened. So Tatiana, they make investigation, for see exactly what happened with the Tatiana. If the high blood, I know say doctor them, they get their expertise when they know how to do the matter. We wait now inquiry for this matter. Every day, another story, when I know say they don't start the ride, that one they call say baccalaureate, na equivalent for GCE advanced level. GC ordinary and advanced level na next week we will start right up. But this one now we don't go on na baccalaureate. As they write baccalaureate, la philosophie. Ici là on dit quoi? On écrit quoi? I don't talk en français. Na Molière, don't enter ma skin. Molière, entre dans ce corps. Molière, entre dans. Ouais. That way chop Tony Coco for money. That way one guy give news. The way the thing make you get energy for your skin. Na so the thing make your skin strong. Hey, no be na play. Like play. The thing work for the way the worker and then the worker fine. Countryman, Abu Sango na Manyango. What happen? The young girl where they write baccalaureate. It began in Bioko. That means say don't get Bioko. You don't smell without Bioko. It's store without Bioko. It continue for study, the read. If you don't register for a baccalaureate, neither go for go born for that side. For lycée technique, for Obala now that road, na the pass there, una go by jog, una go Koteng, una go Nanga Eboko, una go Betwa. I say that road they don't fix am. That will be the pass for that road for 1995, 1996. Those way be there for day. Motor be the carry that time for go for that side for Koteng. They be the call and say Savien. Countryman, countrywoman, Abu, Ata, Ni, the bear, the girl, a boy picking, bouncing baby boy. Yes, a born get a boy picking, na happiness for that side, for that center, for that side, for baby. no for Obala. Hey, wait, I want to talk. I come on, you can do man the thing that. For that side for Obala, when the thing it happened, so a countryman, a countrywoman. Well, I talk for now, so I put more grammar for the talk the thing. Now so the thing it going to happen. We'll go for that side for Tanzania. If we go Tanzania, then we'll come back. We'll come back. No problem. When I know say President way he did now go Tanzania, even a former Vice President, Samia Suluhu Hassan. He don't do it. He don't block Twitter. Or they call it say X for a country. He don't block her. He say some kind of fake thing that they happen for day. Say even Motoa where they enter Tanzania where they no get authorization and other kind of thing them, you know, they for that way fine. And then another fake news where they don't talk about now say president for Tanzania, he don't quarrel. Now fake news that way they come up for Twitter. For that side they use Twitter plenty here. For we for here na face and ebook. I think for Nigeria, for West and Central Africa now over Facebook. And then Instagram to come bed. For East Africa, you know, say Twitter too, it go fine. So they don't block access. Say over fake news. And then some kind of terrible message them. They don't respect Pidgin. They talk about sex, talk about this and that, publish some kind of kind thing them. Police, if you don't start begin the investigation. And then authority, they don't decide say no, they go block them. That's why they block them. And then police don't talk say they find information. And they find other people then. Where they put news say President Samia Suluhu Hassan, he don't die for Tanzania. Where they remedy you, they remedy kankwe, no chinawa for that remedy. They say the remedy don't quarrel. And they consider for Tanzania like cyber attack. That's what the government on the talk. Say a cyber attack. And then they say opposition officially be around that matter. They accuse Tundi Liso. Say they say for that matter. And then if you don't look out, they give death penalty because death sentence it did for that side for Tanzania. So it be very possible. Say you come for the money time. They tell you say they so opposition leader for that side of Tanzania, they don't declare say he own he don't correct, so they go one kwarai. And so it happened for that side for Tanzania. Torina na weti. Yeah. La juive qui y parle à Macron et ton. Yeah. La juive qui parle à Macron. Hey, Macron, oh, il commence pour un Français. That means say Macron a president for a Français. Il commence pour un Français, il going for that side, for waiting for Vietnam. When I know that, Hanoi. He don't enter for Vietnam. Plane don't stop for down. As the plane stop for down, now that he want come up for a plane. What you happen? No. No, man, no. Man, no. Yeah. Now, so, I said, the open door for plane. Macron, a woman, when they call it, say, Brigitte Macron. Man, she don't find before I knock the Tory. A woman slap his face. He slap his face, the man turn his face. He want to discover, say, they don't really open door for plane. He just calm down. He just begin behave, they say, nothing not happen. That means say, we will press the mobile robot, they don't tell you, say, nobody ask you, you must calm down. And then, normally, for people they know them, when they go down for plane, Macron and a woman, anytime they travel, if they ever give a hand, he right hand, the woman hold arm, and then they descend for plane, suffering. He give right hand, the woman not take up. Now for the way, that way analysis, they go for that video, they know say, problem day. Because that way the video, they start publish up, Macron talks about it. Macron tell that fake video. Fake video how? Now people when they be expert for the matter, they start do verification. Time they do verification, they say I seen a true video. Now as they told a true video, as they send a true video, he be now obliged for explain. He can begin explain, say they be talk, say they so for some other video, say be this a cocaine, and we go for Kiev, he do this and that. The other one, say we look at all the video, not true video, but the interpretation, that this and that. Macron, what you happen, your home slap you. You say una be the play. If una be the play, that means una happy. That when you come down for play, why you give a hand, it's there for take up. If I will talk true, talk the truth, you shame the debris. Because if you not talk true, that's all the thing will be. That's all the worry day. Hey, Macro, you must slap you. Now wait here happen so, hey, Macron, Asia, that's all they sing that song now, man. Remember, that's all they sing that song now. Macron, my inagi so slap. That kind of slap not correct. He gave for respect your master. You not correct for the do that kind of thing. Not correct. You gave for understand. You gave for understand. You know begin slap your man so slap your woman or your man so. It's not correcting. It's not correcting. That's what I talk about. Now grammar. I don't say plenty people don't look at they don't laugh so they laugh past place. More enter now for talk palamanda matori. What happen? Jean-Charles Castelletto. Il talks about désolé, fin des aventures. Marc Brice a décidé de ne plus être rancunier. Jean-Charles Castelletto. Ouais. Now what happen now, Perica? That means say Marc Brice on me now, we don't be for we. Castelletto, you know, don't vex. He talk his own, the way we talk him, that's what they think they work. So, we will you don't understand Castelletto. That's what they think they. Castelletto, he follow Marc Brice, but he follow it for very intelligent way. That way, now any kind of thing, you will take me, bring up. That way, now one is this, so you know, go bring me. Well, Castelletto, people, they don't enter now, they talk, any man they talk his own. Any man they talk his own, they go. Any man they talk his own, they go. Well, Castelletto. Okay, we don't say Baleba, you know, come, they don't call it, they don't call Andrew Nana, they don't call for that period, the FIFA period, that match they go play for that side, for that tournament for Morocco, Cameroon go play against Equatorial Guinea and Uganda, they don't call them. Now, Zambo and Gisa too, they don't call it, so that's some very important players, they don't call them, Andrew Nana, they don't call them. We tell them yesterday, say Andrew Nana did for that side for India with a team. They do it for that side for India. They get some big competition where they take up some tournament for that side, and inside that tournament they go win about 6,200,000,000. I repeat them again, 6,200,000,000. So now so the matter they countryman. Now the money that way they go win for that side, they go get them for that tournament, they go compete for them. But now and then all man no say they say no go remain for Manchester United. Because they want to say, make come up for that place. They accuse you for they say again very bad result there. Give a list for player the way Mark Ebrace a convocate for that 2 match away Cameroon will play on the 6th and on the 9th of June. The list don't come out and then player they be doing they get wood. One day they be doing this. And then people they ask plenty question why this one wanna call 5 colors, wanna call this and that. Might give the player their list. For the list, we get goalkeeper them. Simon Gapandumbu. The second goalkeeper na Simon Omotola. The third goalkeeper na Davis Epasi. And then for defenders them, he don't convocate Yan Dibango, Darling Nyonga, Muhammadu Nagida, James Jengwe, James Eto'o, Guy Marcelin Kilama, Faye Collins, Flavien Boyomo, Junior Chamade, Jean-Charles Castelletto. And then for midfield, we get Martin Atemenge, Actu Avom, Olivier Kemen, Boris Eno, Willy T. Yanusa, Danny Namaso, And then for attacker them, people wey dey support for score goal because they are work that. Patrick Soko, Serge Dura, Boris Fumo, Vincent Abubakar, Florian Batum, and Yachus Ganage. Now they list that way initially. Mark Brace a move up. But now, problem they 2 players in the way they get wound. How Mark Brace do for put their name for your way no say they get injury since 1 month. You get Ivan Dibango, you know if he play. You get also Junior Chamade, where you know if he play. But he tonton so they put their name for day. Confirmation on common now say they don't replace that player then. Ivan Dibango and Junior Chamade, they don't replace them with the other player them. Malcolm Bokele, where they play for that side for Gotzepe SK for Turkey, where you don't replace the left back for Stoke City. So, 9 that. And then Dibango, Ivan Dibango, the old man will go replace it. They never put them, they never go. And they see them for here. The only one will see them, only that one way. The Malcolm and Bokole way they don't call them for replace that other one then. So now at least that for Mark Brace, where he don't publish them for player the way they go play Uganda. They play Equatorial Guinea on the 12th of on the 6th and the 9th of next month. That's what it is. Gabon. For Gabon way, die body for Aaron Bupenze. He don't reach country. We know that player where he fall for building for China. Some people they even talk say, I will be there with the big brother. They will get query short na big brother pushy. He fall for that building. He died on the 16th of April 2025. That means the year. He will get 28 years. He don't play for France, play for Europe before he go China for greener pasture, for get better money. And then we know say people they follow Gabon, they know say na former star for Gabon team. People they don't come out for airport. People them well witchers. They come out for airport for receiving in their body. They the vex. Other one they the wild. Other one they the ask and say why is they so they never punish that man, that brother. Other one they told them that brother. So they think they for the way they so take carriage now. You never know how the investigation they continue. But the truth for the matter must say no man no. They supposed to put hand for that perika way. They accuse say na ikwara iperika. Na perika we ke kwara perika. And I say it depends for the play where you stand or where you look your own thing or if you know say be you get na so the thing there. So the program they how it don't be now for all that side for Gabon na serious cry. Authorities they come up for airport. They call that airport say International Liomba Airport. They cry. Well, which as they cry. Family them for around they cry. That's so life day. Man don't go away. They help family do all thing for family. So they send some kind of man with that Paul Pogba, his brother, for come begin do nonsense. So they make that man he don't quarana. Hey, that's so life it day. They told you they na so na for talk palava that side for Olembe. 2 newspaper them. They don't talk palava Olembe. That one they call us say sport, and now they call us say mutation. The 2 newspaper they tell we say Olembe no mutation on a say complexe sportif de Olembe McGill réclame son agent. That means say after Piscini, where it asks we don't carry Cameroon government go for court, they don't sanction Cameroon government for pay almost 200 billion for penalty when they withdraw their contract illegally. This time around, na McGill, when a Canadian company because Piscini, the Italian company. And then, the other newspaper they call as sport. It talks about it. It say, constructeur non payé, complexe abandonné. La malédiction de Olembe. Na strong French. Where the other newspaper, it talk up. The Olembe, where we supposed to be a BB complex. It is supposed to get 5-star hotel. if you supposed get Olympic swimming pool, if you supposed get mall, let me say supermarket them. If you supposed get tennis court, basketball, if you get, let me say, if you get a big saute pass place, at this stadium they were supposed to give for 2019. A past time they play for 2021. They no be don't finish Olembe. Now the company the way they be take work for work that they complain say they drive the way time no reach. When they don't do see, they don't give their money. Maggie took her work after they won't drive PCD go. Maggie enter, Maggie he walk it on. The children worker. Now all them they ask Buru. They say they will pay them. Now who go pay them now? Now Cameroonian taxpayer money, he go do that one. So now so the thing they countryman.